Well, looks like I'm busted. Busted, alright. And tonight, we're gonna draw Gimme from Yokai Watch 2. Whenever anything goes missing at all, he's the one who steals it. Usually in Yokai Watch 2, the game, he usually he refers to his name as Swiping Stuff. He even stole one of the mangas that the owner of the Yokai Watch has. Shaolin Senior Citizen. Nice. He hasn't even read that one yet. Chapter 12. Anything he sees comes home with me. He'll come back. Once he finds a place he likes, he comes back to steal more things. That's how it works. Until he was beaten by Count Zoppaway. Yeah. Anyways, we draw the bubble head. Remember, don't draw it too big. Alexa, what does it mean to steal?
As a verb, steal can have a few meanings. 1. To take, the property of another or others, without permission or right, especially secretly or by force. 2. To appropriate, ideas, credit, words, etc., without right or acknowledgement. 3. To take, get, or win insidiously, surreptitiously, subtly, or by chance. 4. To move, bring, convey, or put secretly or quietly, smuggle, usually followed by away, from, in, into,
Now we draw the rest of
etc.
his gloves. That's saying something. You know what I'm infamous for? I steal black Sharpies from stores. Well, basically when people are using the black Sharpies, but not out of the package. I'm not that stupid. Don't tell anyone I do that. I mean, I never steal anything out of a package or anything. That's just wrong. And there he is. That's how you draw Gimme. Gimme! That's all for now. Please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. And by the way, get your hands off my pencil sharpener!